Hey everybody, Rob here for Southwest Florida Television. It is an absolutely gorgeous Friday morning here in North Naples. I'm down at the south end of the beach at Pelican Bay. Look at that beautiful glow. Wow. It's about 70 degrees. Water temperature about 78. The tide's slowly coming in. See a little crescent moon up there, that little tiny white dot up in the sky. Just coming into the top center of the frame. Clam Pass way down to the south there. Seagate Beach, Park Shore down to the south. Wish you were here with me. Hit that share button, I missed y'all. My darn gout flared up. Very painful to walk when that gout kicks in. Still sore, but I couldn't miss a beach walk this morning. Had to get out here. The beach was a calling. Wow. Look at those colors. An osprey calling in the background. Those colors are slowly extending out into the Gulf. Serenity now, huh? Still dark down to the south. All right, that's going to do it for our early morning first look at the beach on what is going to be a glorious Friday beach morning, by the way. Might see some clouds later in the afternoon, but this morning it's going to be absolutely gorgeous. Hey, thanks for watching. Tell your friends about Southwest Florida Television. Until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay strong. Tally-ho, my friends, tally-ho. For Southwest Florida Television, I'm Rob Stan. God bless.